चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल बोलो जुबान केसरी।
आज पहले उन्होंने साइन किया है प्रधानमंत्री जी ने, किसान के जो चुनाव में नहीं मिले थे वो पैसा रिलीज करने का उन्होंने पहला काम किया है किसानों का।
पहला काम पैसा रिलीज।
हाँ रिलीज हो गया।
इसके अलावा रामनाथ जी, बिहार के कई सारे मुद्दे हैं, जैसे कि नीतीश जी ने खुद एक बात कही थी कि स्पेशल स्टेटस से लेकर के जो कास्ट सेंसस है वो मुद्दा है। उन्होंने तो ये भी कहा था 7 LKM में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी के सामने कि अब आप जल्दी ओथ ले लीजिए, सारा काम तो हो ही जाएगा।
हाँ,
बिहार
हो जाएगा। अब तो समन्वय करके समस्याओं का निदान करना है, और निश्चित रूप से जब बिहार सरकार के मुख्यमंत्री जी और भारत सरकार के प्रधानमंत्री जी जब समस्याओं के बारे में जानते हैं तो उसका निश्चित रूप से 5 वर्षों के अंदर निराकरण होगा।
रामनाथ जी, एक आखिरी सवाल। जम्मू कश्मीर में 9 श्रद्धालु जा रहे थे दर्शन के लिए, आतंकी हमला हुआ, इस पूरे मामले में आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि ये आतंकी हमले में 9 श्रद्धालुओं की
मौत है। मैं उन्हें श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित करता हूं, लेकिन जिन लोगों ने यह काम किया है उनके ऊपर भी भारत सरकार निश्चित रूप से कार्रवाई करने का काम करेगी।
लेकिन एक बात रामनाथ जी, इस पूरे मामले में विपक्ष अब ओछी राजनीति कर रहा है। राहुल गांधी और मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे का अगर आप ट्वीट देखेंगे तो वो ये कह रहे हैं कि जम्मू कश्मीर में लॉ एंड ऑर्डर ठीक नहीं है, सिक्योरिटी व्यवस्था ठीक नहीं है। ये हर मुद्दे पे फोर्सेस को जो पॉलिटिसाइज कर।
सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट हैं, विरोधी पक्ष का क्या काम है? विरोध करना। तो वो अपना काम कर रहे हैं, हम लोगों का अपना काम है, वो अपना काम करें।
लेकिन रामनाथ जी, ये पहली बार नहीं है, इससे पहले पुलवामा और उरी के समय में भी हमेशा देश की सेना पर सवाल उठाया है।
निराकरण होगा, निश्चित रूप से निराकरण होगा।
All right, breaking news development coming in, and let's cut to that straight. I believe we are getting first pictures of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first cabinet meeting. Yes, and the key decisions likely in this meeting, as we were discussing earlier, and some important ones there, focusing on the rural poor, and the decision likely is to focus on rural housing for the rural poor. Modi 3.0's 100-day agenda kicks in with that, the first cabinet meeting. In fact, we are also getting pictures of the first cabinet. Let's cut to those pictures straight with the Prime Minister. Okay, we're soon going to cut to those pictures also. Let's cut to the still picture at least, and then go to this breaking news development, which is about the important decisions that are likely in the first cabinet meeting. Remember, it's been about 45 minutes that the cabinet meeting is going on. 30 cabinet ministers that took out yesterday. All can be seen along with the team of Prime Minister's Secretariat, which is Prime Minister's Principal Secretary, the Cabinet Secretary, among others, and some other officials from his team. But essentially, the cabinet meeting deliberating on its first decisions as the Modi 3.0 kicks in. But let's cut to the pictures at least. Yes, now we have the pictures and we go live with them. Live and breaking. In the pictures, you can see that the cabinet is going on. Prime Minister sitting at the head of the table, along with Amit Shah to his left, Rajnath Singh to his right, Nitin Gadkari, Shivraj Singh Chauhan, JP Nadda, Nirmala Sitharaman as Jai Shankar. And we'll continue to pan these visuals. We also have Manohar Lal Khattar, Piyush Joshi, then Jyotiraditya Scindia, Prahlad Joshi, Chirag Paswan, Mansukh Mandavia, G. Kishan Reddy, among others. All these ministers, part of the Council of Ministers, Cabinet actually. And if you look at it, seating arrangement-wise, next to Prime Minister on both the sides, to the left, Amit Shah and JP Nadda, to the right, Rajnath Singh and Nitin Gadkari, all 4 of them former BJP presidents. Then if you look at it next, it is Nirmala Sitharaman next to her, Manohar Lal Khattar next to him, Piyush Joshi next to him, Jitan Ram Manjhi. To the right of Nitin Gadkari, Shivraj Singh Chauhan. To his right, S. Jaishankar. To his right, H.D. Kumaraswamy. Then you have Bhupendra Yadav. You have Ashwini Vaishnav. You have Annapurna Devi. You have Chirag Paswan. You have Jyotiraditya Scindia. Essentially the entire cabinet there. And you can see in these frames Sarbanand Sonowal. And from the other side, Giriraj Singh, Prahlad Joshi, Virendra Kumar, that effectively Lallan Singh, and you can also see C.R. Patil, Hardeep Singh Puri, G. Kishan Reddy, all these in their respective frames, apart from, of course, the officialdom, the principal secretary to the Prime Minister, Cabinet Secretary, among others. These are first pictures coming in of Prime Minister Modi's first cabinet meeting that's taking place at 7 LKM, where important decisions are likely. And we are told that the focus is going to be on rural poor in the first decision of the Modi 3.0. Very soon, we're going to hear about those decisions. The meeting has gone on for about 45 minutes now, and we are told that it was to go on for about an hour. Should be getting over any time now, over the next 10-15 minutes, and then we get the details of the decision or the decisions that are being taken or have been taken. And then subsequently, of course, the most important news story on which the entire nation is focused on as of now, as to what's going to be the distribution of portfolios. Remember, by cornering the lion's share of the 72 berths in the Council of Ministers, including the Prime Minister, with the BJP getting 60 out of 72, it's clear that the BJP is going to command the lion's share, and the messaging has been clear that the BJP will continue to call the shots, and the allies are not going to dictate terms irrespective of the dynamics of numbers